In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add variation in TikTok Shop. If you sell items that come in different options, like sizes, colors, or styles, setting up variations helps shoppers pick exactly what they want without confusion. It also keeps your catalog organized and improves the shopping experience. Start by opening your TikTok Shop account and making sure you're signed into your seller dashboard. From there, head to the products section. This is where you manage everything related to your listings. Click Add Product to create a new listing. You'll be prompted to upload clear product images, choose well-lit photos with a clean background, and include multiple angles if you can. Strong visuals help customers feel confident about their choice. Next, enter your product name and choose the most accurate category. Picking the right category ensures your item appears in relevant searches and complies with platform guidelines. If your product has a brand, add it. If not, you can leave it blank or choose an appropriate option. Write a concise, helpful description that highlights the key features and any important details customers should know before buying, like materials, care instructions, or what's included. You may also see fields for other necessary details. Fill in whatever applies to your product so your listing is complete and clear. Now, scroll to the sales information section and toggle on variations. This is the switch that tells TikTok Shop your product has options. Once it's on, you'll see fields where you can define those options. Enter a variation name, such as color, size, pattern, or style. Keep the name simple and consistent with what customers expect to see on your packaging or product page. Under that, enter an option like red, blue, or green for color, or small, medium, large for size. Use Add option to include every variant you offer so shoppers can find the exact choice they want. Keep option names short, clear, and free of symbols or extra punctuation. If your photos show each option, make sure the images match the names to avoid confusion. Before you finish, do a quick check. Confirm your product name, category, brand, description, and variation details are accurate and consistent. When everything looks good, click Submit for review. TikTok Shop will review your listing to ensure it meets marketplace policies. If any adjustments are needed, you can edit and resubmit. Once approved, your product with variations will be live and ready for customers to shop.